उन्होंने उसको ग्रे कर दिया है टू मेक यू फील बेटर.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, dude, oh my god, like I used to get so upset अगर वो green से red हो जाता था ना, रोना आ जाता था वो देख के. You're also 21 now. That's what. And probably the last time you shared with people was when you were 20.
हाफ मेरे ही होंगे. Just saying.
That's man, thank you. मेरे को बहुत टॉक्सिक लगता है. मैं पहले रोज करती थी ये सब कुछ excitement में.
Hello people of internet, welcome to another episode of Badmaash Baatein. I'm your host Sukriti Grover, and for today's episode we have my personal favorite, the one I grew up watching. जिसकी मतलब I think जब मेरा चैनल शुरू भी नहीं हुआ था ना तब से I've been watching her. That's Sejal Kumar, you guys. I'm so glad to have her. I mean, this is one episode I have been waiting for, and I'm so happy that this finally happened. In this podcast we talked about Sejal's music, how she started with that, her experiences with YouTube FanFest. जिनको नहीं पता, she has been on 4 YouTube FanFest, 4 to 5 YouTube FanFest, I think 4 YouTube FanFest so far, and it's been quite a journey for her, and I wanted to know all of it. तो हमने इस podcast में काफ़ी अलग-अलग चीज़ों के बारे में बात की है, her experiences in general and lot of different things. So मैं काफ़ी कुछ पता लगेगा सेजल के बारे में. If you continue watching, make sure you watch this podcast till the end. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. If you are listening this on Spotify, make sure you follow. If you're listening this on Apple Podcasts, make sure you subscribe and leave a rating. Would really mean a lot to me. And let's begin with the podcast now. Okay. I am so happy to have you on my podcast because I think you are the one I have always looked up to. क्योंकि जब मैंने YouTube start किया था, I remember I came to one of your talks at YMCA.
Oh damn, that one. That was my first ever speaker session. Wow, damn.
Yeah, तो तब I think 4 लोग थे वहाँ पे. You, जय कपूर, शर्मा जी, technical, and हर्ष बनीवाल. So that time I came and I was so awkward that मैं आके hi भी नहीं बोल पाई थी. And उसके बाद क्योंकि मैं बहुत छोटी सी थी and I was, आप भी बहुत छोटे से थे.
हाँ, मैं भी काफी छोटी थी. वो तो 2016 की बात है अभी.
या 2016 अक्टूबर-ish. तो उस टाइम मैं स्टार्ट कर रही थी अपना YouTube and I came there, and उसके बाद then I met you at हौस खास विलेज एक बारी. You were
did I vlog with my phone? Are you in that vlog also?
No, not that one.
Achha,
but
okay.
I have a picture with you. I think that up to 2017 हो गया था at this point.
Oh, okay.
You were clicking pictures, so you asked me to click a picture of you and your friend. So that's when I also clicked a picture.
Oh, क्या ये वो दिन है जब यार I don't know if you remember जो oh shit, sorry.
I think you were wearing a I think that's okay.
वो bathroom साफ हो रहा था ऐसे.
Anyway,
ये वो दिन है जो पॉपेक्सो के ऑफिस के बाहर शायद हम मिले हैं.
हाँ, उसके अराउंड आई थिंक आई हैव अ पिक्चर ऑफ दैट एज वेल. तो वो बहुत ही फन था. दैट वाज आल्सो लाइक अ वेरी नाइस डे फॉर मी. तो आई वाज
हौस खास विलेज डेज.
हाँ, तब इट वाज लाइक अ थिंग. अब तो नोबडी गोज देयर.
अब तो वो जगह RIP.
Okay, can't find that picture, but उसके बाद we met again at Pop Expo का एक fest, and that picture I have.
Oh, and just हौस खास विलेज में भी मैंने सेम ही ड्रेस पहनी थी.
I don't remember. नहीं, तब ठंड थी. That was.
अच्छा, हाँ, ये तो मुझे भी clearly याद है. This was in that
Love Fest.
That हाँ, ये मुझे clearly याद है.
हाँ, so that's when we met, and I was like, तब तो मेरा पूरा fan moment हो रहा था, and I was like, I want you on my podcast. और मैं कब से I've been like, I have to get Sejal on my podcast and talk about everything, because मेरे को इतनी सारी चीज़ों के बारे में personally बात करनी है. And but I want to know how you would like to introduce yourself most of the time when you do.
I have no idea, honestly,
because
it's just
you
like
have
very
this,
difficult.
You have this bracket thing ki, not a one genre thingy. So I want to know about that. How do you usually introduce that?
I just say I'm a content creator, that's all. Like, and if someone asks me what I do, I say I do fashion, and then I do a bunch of other things. It's like that only. And if some content creators are, वो तो like brands and like other people who try to like box you in one thing, na, so that they can tell you कि अच्छा तुम comedy creator हो, so you do this thing or do that thing. तो वैसा ही है.
अच्छा, so that's how you usually, तो अगर कोई जैसे ब्यूटी ब्रांड आता है या फिर कोई फैशन ब्रांड आता है, सो और लेट्स से कुछ एकदम ऑपोजिट आता है, लाइक अ GoPro you got, तो it's like you can promote most of them easily क्योंकि you have explored all of it, right? So how is that like?
Dude, actually काफी सही है. A lot of these actually जैसे लाइफस्टाइल एंड फैशन एंड ब्यूटी क्रिएटर्स के साथ लाइक काफी चीजें कर सकते हो. सो दैट्स गुड. लाइक GoPro, they work with mostly lifestyle creators. Dude, their favorite person to work with is Larissa, so she's also a lifestyle creator, right? So that is cool. But like my music and dance, like that aspect, mostly my music thing opens up like different doors for me as well. So I'm friends with a lot of people who are musicians, and मेरे को कुछ ऐसे deals भी मिल जाते हैं in which I just have to dance or I just have to sing. So that's cool. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
But talking about music, I am obsessed with Khali Khali. And it is so good, it is so nice. And मेरे को पता है honestly, जब मैंने first time I heard you singing, I don't remember which one it was, but I think you made a cover or something. तो तब मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम सुना था एंड आई वाज लाइक यार, मतलब आई डिडंट नो यू आर अ सिंगर और अ नॉन सिंगर, बट लाइक यार तो दिस इज सो नाइस, दिस इज सो गुड. मेरे को ऑनेस्टली लगा दैट यू हैव नॉट बीन शोइंग दैट सिंगिंग साइड ऑफ योर्स. तो were you, what was the first thing which came into your head when you were like कि म्यूजिक अब मैं डालूँ, सिंगिंग का थोड़ा डालूँ, what will people think about it, या something around that?
यार तो जब मैं कॉलेज में थी तो बेसिकली दिस होल फैशन थिंग इट स्टार्टेड बिकॉज पीपल यूज्ड टू टेल मी दैट आई ड्रेस वेल इन कॉलेज एंड दैट वाज इट. लाइक मैंने बहुत सीरियसली ले लिया सबका कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स. आई वाज लाइक कि मैं यही करूँगी. एंड प्लस जिनको मैं फॉलो करती थी वो भी सिमिलर कंटेंट बनाते थे, सो आई वाज लाइक इंस्पायर्ड बाय दोज पीपल. बट मैं बचपन से लाइक मेरी मॉम इतना अच्छा गाती है, मेरा भाई भी गिटार बजाता है, तो वी हैव लाइक दिस होल म्यूजिक थिंग इन आवर फैमिली बचपन से ही. एंड आई यूज्ड टू गो फॉर डांस क्लासेस सिंस आई, oh fuck, it's not focused. Yeah, now it is. 1 second, let me just fix this. Okay, hang on. So so we and I used to go for dance classes like when I was younger for 6 years. तो वो सब था and I had thought कि मैं धीरे धीरे YouTube पे डालूंगी, just अगर if I run out of content maybe I can put something like that. तो मैंने डाला था. मेरा first cover बहुत गंदा है, it's really bad and बहुत पुराना है. and तब
कौन सा था? I'm like trying to recall but मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा.
एक there's a song Sexy and I know it, I'm sexy and I know it, उसका like this
like ये मैंने नहीं सुना, मैंने कुछ और सुना था फिर.
It's really bad. It's really bad. And उसका jazz version I used to sing at college fest in my music society, so I just put that up. And उसके बाद में मैंने थोड़े covers डाले थे and उन पे अच्छा response था, उस पे बहुत views आते थे, so that was really good. But obviously like music is something and dance is also something that a lot of people have opinions on, right? तो hate comments भी बहुत आते थे. Oh, you don't know how to sing, don't do this, don't do that. So I used to feel like bad about it, तो मैं नहीं डालती थी ज़्यादा, so I would space it out. Then I started learning music like seriously for like 2-3 years just for fun, and now I feel like I'm at a place where I'm like trained and I can actually like know more about my voice and I can sing way better. So the whole like original song thing तो वो तो randomly हो गया and I don't know where it will take me, so we'll see.
Yeah. And so how is the response on Khali Khali right now? कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत crazy है because people keep using it in their content and I didn't expect that. Like people keep telling me that they keep singing it. जैसे ध्रुव राठी उसके vlog में उसकी girlfriend randomly hum कर रही है खाली खाली, and I was like कि क्या है, you know? Yeah, and so it's really cool. Like She Troublemaker, she used it in her videos, and I'm not asking any of these people to do any of this, or just my viewers also. So that is kind of crazy, you know. And even on Spotify, it's got so many streams now, and I didn't really think that would happen. I just thought
so many के, I think so many के half मेरे ही होंगे. Just saying.
Oh, that's man. Thank you.
So yeah, no, for me it's like कि I like ऐसा थोड़ा acoustic, low key music जो होता है थोड़ा सा playing in the background when I'm working या ऐसे कुछ काम वाम हो रहा है, तो वैसा तो I have like 2-3 songs there, ज़्यादा नहीं है उधर, थोड़े से अनूप जैन है, अब खाली खाली है तो ऐसे थोड़े से गाने हैं.
Okay,
So
that vibe.
yeah, हाँ, so that also अरे हाँ, how can we get the खाली खाली hoodie?
Wait, one second.
Yeah.
The खाली खाली hoodie, यार मैंने genuinely बस ऐसे बनवा ली थी and I just gifted it to like people I know in the YouTube circuit and मेरे पास बच गए हैं कुछ, so I know like people want it, so I'm trying to set up a shop online and अगर अच्छा response आएगा I'll make more also, but I'm just figuring that part out कि how can I set up a shop online and stuff.
Right.
but देखो तो मैं भेज दूँगी dude. अगर जब हम मिलेंगे तो मैं देखो दे दूँगी, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है.
अरे you know what, I was thinking कि मैं कल I'll ask you कि हम ये IRL कर लेते हैं, like I'll meet you and I'll do it क्योंकि it's much more easier. But then I was like कि मैं थोड़ी आलसी हूँ सब.
हाँ, वो हाँ, अब मैं भी थोड़ी आलसी हो गई हूँ एक साल के बाद.
एंड अभी जब मैं उठ रही थी 10 o'clock I was getting up, मैं कहा बस 15 मिनट और यार, जस्ट लाइक 15 more minutes, एंड 11 o'clock मैंने कैसे तैसे खुद को उठा के बाथरूम में डाला. सब नहाया एंड आई वाज लाइक ओ नो. मैंने कहा शुड आई आस्क सेजल इफ वी कुड लाइक 1 hour और कर दे, पढ़ा दे आगे. बट आई एम लाइक नो सुकृति, पंक्चर रहना चाहिए.
अच्छा है ना अगर कोई टास्क सुबह स्टार्ट कर लो देन पूरा दिन सही जाता है, इसीलिए.
हाँ
Good
एग्जैक्टली.
habits.
अभी एक्चुअली आई वांट टू आस्क दिस ऑल्सो कि लाइक अभी जैसे आई एम गेटिंग रेडी, तो अब मेरे को ना आया कि आई विल शूट अ रील ऑल्सो, आई विल डू दिस ऑल्सो, ऐसा कुछ बना लूंगी. तो कभी ऐसा होता है कि एक बार मेकअप कर लिया, देन यू आर लाइक अब मैं ये भी कर लेती हूँ, अब ये भी कर लेती हूँ, ऐसा होता है क्या?
हाँ होता है, एंड यूजुअली मैं वही प्लान करती हूँ, लाइक हफ्ते में 3 बार मैं शूट कर लेती हूँ. 3 या 4 बार, 2 बार यूट्यूब वीडियोस के लिए एंड 2 बार इंस्टाग्राम के लिए, ऐसे करके.
Okay.
तो जो भी सब कुछ होता है ब्रांड्स का भी, सब भी मैं उसी दिन में फिट करती हूँ, बिकॉज तैयार होने यार वो बहुत ही इरिटेटिंग प्रोसेस होता है तैयार होना, एंड आई डोंट वांट टू डू इट ऑन लाइक अदर डेज. बट अगर मन है तो यू सी उस फिल्म देख लेती हूँ रैंडम.
Yeah. But how is your day like usually? When it's a work day, how is it like?
यार जैसे अभी तो मैं कहीं जाने वाली थी टू अ कैफे टू जस्ट चिल, एक दोस्त के साथ जाने वाली थी टू जस्ट चिल एंड लाइक थिंक ऑफ आइडियाज़, बैठ के कॉफ़ी वॉफ़ी पी के. तो ये थोड़ा ऐसे डाउन टाइम डेज हैं. सैटरडे ज़्यादा कुछ करने को नहीं है, बट अदर डेज अगर डिपेंड करता है, या तो शूट करती हूँ मैं 4-5 घंटे उसमें लग जाते हैं, फिर उसके बाद अगर वही सब एडिट करना है तो वो भी कर लेती हूँ, या उसके बाद फिर ईमेल्स और ब्रांड स्टफ वो सब. एंड मैं हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ सोचते रहती हूँ, लाइक मुझे अगला बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट क्या करना है, तो उस पर कुछ करती रहूँगी. और इतना सारा एडमिन का काम होता है ना, लाइक मेकिंग मनी एंड देन लाइक टेकिंग केयर ऑफ दैट स्टूपिड मनी, सो दैट इज also a thing. तो ऐसे ही होता है.
But वो कैसे रहता है? Like do you what I have known कि you've been editing and filming your videos by yourself mostly. तो do you ever think of getting like an editor ताकि your work becomes easier या कुछ?
Dude, so I'll tell you, मेरे अब जो भी videos हैं उनमें से say like 50% मैं खुद ही करती हूँ एंड बाकी प्रोजेक्ट बेसिस पे मैं फ्रीलांसर्स के साथ कर लेती हूँ. रीजन बीइंग बिकॉज इट्स रियली हार्ड टू फाइंड समवन हु विल वर्क विद यू ऐसे ऑन अ फुल टाइम बेसिस. लाइक yeah, it's really hard, and like all the really good ones they prefer to work on a project basis. So that's why. Otherwise dude तू मुझे editor ढूंढ के दे दे, मैं तो बहुत खुश होंगी.
I know a lot of people, let me know when you do.
Okay, great. So after this मुझे please बता दियो.
Done. So I also अरे हाँ, I didn't address this. मतलब मेरे को था कि मैं start इस चीज़ से करूँगी, but guys, straight out of the vlog, I colored my hair featuring Sejal Kumar. So
I saw that video.
Yeah, I know. You commented also, and I was like, oh, she saw this video, and you know, because I'm a little conscious when somebody with more subscribers watches my videos. I'm like, यार क्या सोच रहे होंगे, because I have a very different way of talking and like a different vibe. I'm just very conscious when somebody watches. But then I also like my content, so but then
yeah, that's cool, dude. I mean, तेरा खुद का style है उसमें.
That's that. But yeah, so I was जिनको नहीं पता, I got my hair exactly how Sejal got her hair done, because मैंने जब वो देखा, I have been wanting something like that from very long, but मेरे को ना exactly समझ नहीं आता मुझे क्या बोलना है जाके वहाँ पे. So this time I went, इस बार भी मुझे नहीं पता था. I was like, what you did to Sejal's hair वो कर दो बस. That's it.
That's cool. That's really cool.
Yeah, that's because I used to go to that particular salon when I used to get my hair colored. तो मेरे को पता था कि वहाँ पे क्या सीन है, कौन है वगैरह, बट आई डिडंट नो कि अब उनका एक ही ब्रांच हो गया है. तो फिर मैं ढूंढ रही थी यार कौन सी आउटलेट में होगा कि वो, एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई वाज फिगरिंग आउट. But yeah, but I want to know, how do you have this like such a likable personality? मतलब even when I'm talking to you right now, I'm like कि अरे I think हम मिल रखे हैं इतनी बारी, हमारी मतलब like on a personal level बात हो रखी है. It's very likable. Why?
Thanks, man. I have no idea. Really, I have no idea. I don't know. I guess because my friends are really normal. Like I don't. Wait, there's some like disturbance. Yeah, so I don't know, I guess my friends are already normal. Like I don't have close friends, like really close friends in the creator circuit. I'm friends with like pretty much everyone, but my best friends, people who I actually like confide in and whatever, वो सब मेरे school के दोस्त हैं mostly. So I guess I'm college के. So उनको नहीं फर्क पड़ता about anything that I do. मतलब they're really supportive and उन सब ने मेरी हर एक वीडियो शूट कर रखी है. But वो बहुत चिल लोग हैं लाइफ में. So I guess that's why. And वो मुंह पे बोल देते हैं actually. You know, you mentioned this Foscast Village incident, right? तो I think around that time only मैं फिर से गई थी HKV में and वहाँ पे I ran into this one subscriber. She came up to me and she was like, oh, you're that Shreya, right? And I was like, pata nahi, I was in this really bitchy mode or what, and I said, no, I'm not Shreya, I'm Sejal. And uske muh pe maine bol diya. It was so fucking rude, and I saw like she was really excited, and then she became like uska se muh chota ho gaya, she became really sad. And मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड थी मेरे साथ ख्याति, and उस समय she told me, dude, what the like who do you think you are, like ज़्यादा चढ़ मत. एंड तेरे मतलब उस समय तो 20,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स ही थे, लाइक दैट डजंट मीन एनीथिंग व्हाटएवर. उसने मुझे काफ़ी बोल दिया था. फिर मैंने एक पोस्ट डाला था इंस्टाग्राम पे इसी चीज़ के बारे में, एंड आई थिंक उसके बाद से थोड़ा एटीट्यूड खत्म हो गया है लाइफ में.
हाँ, so I was saying कि but it is good to have such people around, and also that you are self-aware of you, of yourself, and because अभी recently also what I have been seeing कि that old Sejal, new Sejal thingy going on, that also, so you address that as well कि of course you are growing and that's why things will change eventually. But again, how are you going to go about it? Do you want to talk about that?
Yeah, actually, dude, it's really interesting. मैं तो बहुत सारे YouTubers को देखते रहती हूँ who are in America, who started like 5-6 years back, same time as me, and a lot of them are going through the same thing. Like Emma Chamberlain, उनके साथ भी होता है. तो I keep looking like how they respond and like how they do it, because dude, I don't want to lose my subscribers or like get a bunch of haters because of this. So if you address it smartly, then it can work out. And I think in my case, I thought about how I want to address it in a genuine way, and I think it did work out. Like those comments have now turned to don't bring the old Sejal back, so I'm happy.
Yeah, right. Okay, so you also mentioned that you're gonna like make a thing out of it, something around that. Kuch I don't know, something around that you mentioned in a vlog. थोड़े
oh हाँ, like वो मैंने वही किया था. that I started making fun of the whole thing, and I made a few videos जिसमें मैं इसका मजाक ही उड़ा रही हूँ. तो उस हिसाब से सारे comments भी change हो गए. You know, they were just like lol, why are people saying you this is so dumb, saying this to you, this is so dumb. So if I would have been like, if you guys don't like this new version of me, you're free to like unfollow. That would have been like, that would have been bad, you know. People would,
Most of the people do
would
that.
have taken it
कि
well.
this is me, this is who I am. If you don't think कि अभी तुम relate कर पा रहे हो तो unfollow कर दो. People do say that. They don't
हाँ,
try to make
like-
people understand कि अभी हम भी grow हो रहे हैं. But even your audience, let's just say कि for example I was 17 when I started watching you and now I'm 21. तो मैं भी तो बड़ी हो गई. तो that
Yeah,
also
fair.
happens.
And I get that. And you know, I observe myself also, like say I'm watching, I don't know, कि Zoella, okay,
Yeah.
for lack of a better example, उसने अपने बाल काट दिए या बड़े कर लिए, मेरे को लगता है ना, मेरे को उसको नहीं देखना, बस बाल काट दिए उसकी वजह से. And you know, I observe these things and I think of a rational solution, because like you know, I'm done thinking of me as a person, like a real person online. I'm just like, dude, for anyone of my viewers, they don't really care about who I am. They just like my videos and they just relate to me. That's it. So if I want to keep this going, I have to think of smart ways which are still authentic to me and still my viewers can connect. Otherwise, तो यार the senti हो गए क्या ही मिल जाएगा life में, you know, that way. Like I think of it more in that way.
Makes sense. And I want to know like about your friend circle. You said that it's a very you are surrounded with, or you are very reserved person or something. ऐसा कुछ है या फिर
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
अच्छा.
I'm friends with everyone.
Yeah.
Like all the creators, like Arisa, Ranvi, Bhuvan, Prajakta, they're all my friends.
Yeah.
But my best friends, वो तो सबके होते हैं ना. their
Yeah,
type circle.
yeah.
वो सब मेरे literally class 1, class 2 उस तरह से दोस्त हैं.
okay. अच्छा मेरे को ना कॉलेज फ्रेंड्स टाइप है.
friends. एक है कॉलेज की दोस्त
अच्छा.
जो बन गई मेरी अच्छी दोस्त. बट मोस्टली जितने भी मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा जेन्युइन एंड मूफर्ट थोड़े पागल टाइप के हैं सारे.
Right.
तो वही है मेरी दोस्त एंड आई एम हैप्पी.
So,
मतलब
what do you do on your chill days with friends and all of that?
या तो हम किसी के घर चले जाते हैं, मतलब पहले टाइम में, या तो किसी के घर चले जाते हैं और चिल करते हैं. Or we'll just like go out somewhere, I guess. Now everyone also has jobs.
Yeah.
Everyone's in different places, but
Yeah.
mostly like what do you do? Like you go to someone's house and chill only. That's
Yeah,
all.
मतलब जैसे कुछ लोगों का रहता है, like for example what I like to do is either go for some activity. I usually go out with my friends, जैसे ice skating हो गया या फिर bowling हो गया, ऐसा कुछ करने के मैं चली जाती.
You're also 21 now.
Oh,
That's
yes.
what. And probably the last time you chilled with people was when you were 20.
Yeah, oh, yes.
Before the pandemic.
Oh, yes.
When I was in first year college, तब हम भी ice skating
अच्छा.
जाते थे Hamlin Mall में. Woo!
Oh yes, I forget this यार. मतलब it's very hard to process the fact that you are 26. So
yeah, like
हाँ.
that phase, like okay, like this Sunday I'm going to Delhi hard,
हाँ.
so that you know that kind of stuff. But ये ice skating and stuff, dude, बहुत कर लिया यार, अब नहीं करना.
नहीं मेरे को तो I am always up for it. मेरे को कोई बोलता है लंच या डिनर पे चलने को, मैंने कहा कि पर उसके पहले या बाद में आइस स्केटिंग जाएंगे. So that is
इतनी पसंद है.
मतलब I just like some activity. या तो कुछ उसमें चल लो, जो कुछ स्पोर्ट हो गया, डांस करने चल लो, ज़ुम्बा वगैरह, कहीं चल लो, कुछ एक्टिविटी हो, अपने शरीर को हिलाओ थोड़ा. बैठे रहेंगे खाते रहेंगे कैसे होगा.
मैं भी मेरे को भी अच्छा लगता है, बट मेरे कोई दोस्तों को अच्छा नहीं लगता. मैं इसे खुद कर लेती हूँ.
हाँ सेम मेरे भी दोस्तों को नहीं पसंद. सो आई
Yeah.
जस्ट टेक माई सेल्फ. मैं कहा तुम वहाँ बैठ जाना आइस स्केटिंग के वहाँ पे लाउंज में. इट्स ओके. सो या बट हाँ, टॉकिंग अबाउट द कॉलेज एंड कॉलेज फ्रेंड्स, आई वांटेड टू आस्क कि कैसा लगा जब SRCC में एडमिशन हो गया.
ओ बहुत सही लगा. Sure, it was really good.
मतलब
अरे मैं ऑनेस्ट स्कूल में नहीं थी यार टॉपर.
एक्सपेक्टेड था क्या कि हो जाएगा? नहीं था.
नहीं, किसी मेरी टीचर को भी एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं था. सबने मुझे ऐसे कहा था, oh that was very unexpected. Like I was very indisciplined and I used to hang out with the bad kids
Yeah.
in school. And मैं पढ़ती नहीं थी ज़्यादा, but मैंने एंड में बहुत अच्छी पढ़ाई कर ली थी, तो तब मुझे लग रहा था कि हाँ अब तो आ जाएंगे मेरे मार्क्स. And that's
But
बस
what
यार,
what
ऐसे
were
ही।
you looking for वैसे कॉलेज में? Like अगर if not SRCC, what do you think you would have gone for fashion तब?
या अरे मैंने हर चीज के लिए अप्लाई किया था। निफ्ट मेरा हो गया था, पर्ल मेरा हो गया था, एंड ये
I'm in
लाइक
Pearl.
मास फॉर्म उस तरह का मुझे कुछ करना था। हाँ,
I'm in-
you're in Pearl.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. That's cool. Damn.
Yeah.
Pearl. Wow. सही यार. How is it going in Pearl?
Yeah, it's my final
What's it
year.
like?
It's my final year. तो अभी तो placements चल रहे हैं. So I want to talk to you. थोड़ी counseling लेनी थी कि मेरे को मन नहीं है. मतलब it's like I want to, at the same time I don't want to, क्योंकि मुझे थोड़ा सा YouTube को ना एकदम अच्छे से dedication के साथ करना है to see if I can work things out इधर. बट वही है कि थोड़ा सा वो भी है कि यू नो आई वांट अ लिटिल फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस खुद से भी, कि भाई हर बारी मम्मी पापा के पास नहीं जाना पैसे लेने. सो आई एम थिंकिंग कि थोड़ा सा जॉब कर लूँ, नहीं करूँ, फ्रीलांस करूँ, क्या करूँ, आई डोंट नो. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई वांटेड टू आस्क यू आल्सो. हाउ डिड यू टेक दैट डिसीजन ऑफ नॉट गोइंग फॉर प्लेसमेंट्स एंड doing YouTube? Because were you earning the same amount जो जनरली एक पैकेज में मिल रहा था?
यार देख, तो हमारे कॉलेज में मतलब थर्ड ईयर तक मेरे हो गए थे आई थिंक लाइक 8-9,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स. उस समय के लिए ना सही था वो.
right.
बिकॉज तब कोई भी नहीं था. सो आफ्टर क्रॉसिंग द 10,000 मार्क दैट मीन्स यू कैन लाइक यू नो यू गॉट थ्रू द स्टडी पार्ट.
मतलब that time का 10,000 was like today's 1 lakh ऐसा कुछ equivalent.
ऐसा करके यू कैन से. एंड तब आई गेस आई वाज मेकिंग, मतलब मैंने कर ली थी थोड़ी बहुत ब्रांड डील्स. और मेरे को उसमें सही था. आई वाज possibly making like 30-40,000 per month types even then. So that was pretty, and I was pretty good. And matlab it wasn't like regular, maybe some months were nothing at all, but a few months were like that. तो मुझे लगा कि यार even if a few months are like that, maybe this has a lot of potential. And बाकी सब जो jobs थे यार मेरे को zero interest था उसमें. That was also a thing.
Because
like Ernst & Young etc. I wasn't really into it.
Yeah, but then how was AdSense then?
AdSense
ऐसा ही था या फिर?
AdSense sucks. It's really bad. Like वो तो सबको ही पता है. It's nothing.
नहीं, but ऐसा था क्या कि अब के और तब के AdSense में difference है क्या कुछ, या फिर it's the same?
As your views grow, your AdSense also grows. But
like in terms
like
of in terms of let's say कि जो क्या कहते हैं उसको, that cost per mile वाला, was it the same तब भी?
Dude, honestly, don't ask me about this. I'm not the best person. AdSense is something I just don't focus on.
Right.
Really. Like.
Right.
And whatever's coming, I just have to take it.
वैसे do you understand the analytics सारे?
Little bit. And like I don't like check it too much.
Yeah.
I understand like what videos work and what videos don't work, and I just go with that.
Right. And how do you like figure out with views or with the comments? How do you figure out कि ये video चला है?
If 3 चीज़ें थी ना, views, watch time और comments and like dislike ratio, 4 चीज़ें चाहिए. And also sometimes अगर मैं ज़्यादा mood में हूँ तो मैं check कर लूँगी कि how many subscribers did I get with this video.
Yeah.
So but वो ज़्यादा, अगर मैं ज़्यादा mood में हूँ तो
ज़्यादा mood.
Otherwise तो नहीं.
तो ये कोई specific ऐसे days होते हैं when you go and check, या फिर after every video? Randomly कभी भी?
नहीं, random. मैं ज़्यादा नहीं check करती dude numbers. मतलब मेरे को बहुत toxic लगता है. मैं पहले रोज करती थी ये सब कुछ excitement में. But मेरे को बहुत toxic लगता है. It makes me like obsessive with the numbers, like, which is normal, right? With
what? Like जैसे this is I think something I am experiencing right now when I'm like, we can say I'm at a growing stage, guys. But when you open the studio app, when you open the studio app, नाम के नीचे सबसे पहले वही आता है, numbers. So that's the first thing you see. Like if you
and also the green and red arrows.
Yeah, अब तो उन्होंने वो हटा दिए. Now they have removed the green. वो I think उन्होंने उसको grey कर दिया है to make you feel better.
Oh, thanks, thank you. Yeah, oh my god, like I used to get so upset अगर वो green से red हो जाता था ना, रोना आ जाता था वो देख के. And you know that thing, it shows you how many subscribers you gained in a month. if it's, and it fluctuates like crazy. Because like the 28 days they keep, वो होता है ना कि एक दिन तुमने बहुत सारे करे होंगे, उसके अगले दिन तुमने बहुत कम करे हैं, तो वो 28 डेज का नंबर शिफ्ट होते रहता है, एंड दैट्स रियली स्कैरी ऑनेस्टली. इससे मैं देखती नहीं हूँ. आई जस्ट फोकस ऑन कि वीडियोज कैसी हैं जेन्युइनली, एंड मैं ऊपर ऊपर से कमेंट्स देख लेती हूँ दैट वे, बिकॉज बहुत टॉक्सिक हो जाता है डूड, इतना ज़्यादा करोगे तो.
राइट. एंड talking about brand deals and everything, how your experiences have been with the brands?
अच्छा, genuinely
most of the time it's been like a good one.
Good. I know people have a lot of complaints with brands, but dude, like I see it in this way that you work with someone who's paying you money. Obviously they will be like nitpicky na with what you're doing. If I hire someone like a videographer, मैं उसे दे रही हूँ like whatever X amount of money, वो मुझे कैसे भी वीडियो बना के दे दिया, I'll accept it. नहीं, मतलब I have a vision for my work, right? So I get it, like people being nitpicky, but rude नहीं होना चाहिए is what I'm saying. कि मतलब timelines follow कर लो and clearly बता दो क्या चाहिए, and उस तरह से you know if we can come to something together.
And फिर payments वगैरह का scene कि कभी डिले हो गया टाइम पे.
हाँ, हुए हैं मेरे 1-2 पेमेंट्स आए भी नहीं है, लाइक कंप्लीटली रिटन ऑफ बिकॉज वो कंपनी गायब हो गई, एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो हैपन टू मी. पेमेंट्स तो डिले होते हैं, एंड हर बड़ी कंपनी का अपना पेमेंट साइकिल होता है, यूजली लाइक 2-3 महीने लगते हैं लोगों को पे करने में, but mostly people do pay, and I get it, like as a company gets bigger, like you have longer payment cycles because उन्हें लाखों लोगों को पे करना होता है. तो अभी जैसे मेरी कंपनी में we also have a payment cycle, dude. We work with so many people, and मैं रोज बैठ के सबके इनवॉइसेस क्लियर करूंगी, मेरा इतना टाइम वेस्ट होगा. तो उस हिसाब से
how did you learn this invoicing thing? मेरे को ये नहीं आता.
पापा, my dad. और मेरी मॉम भी. यार मेरी मॉम बेसिकली उनका खुद का क्लिनिक है ना, तो उनका लाइक खुद का ही बिजनेस है उनका क्लिनिक, तो उसके लिए मेरे मॉम और डैड ने बहुत सारी चीज़ें फिगर आउट कर रखी थी. तो अलग बैंक अकाउंट खोलना, इनवॉइसेस कैसे बनाना, तो वो सब मेरे डैड ने मेरी हेल्प करी टू फिगर इट आउट, बट मैंने भी बहुत कुछ खुद भी फिगर आउट किया है, तो इसलिए मैं तेरे को बाद में बता दूंगी इनवॉइसेस कैसे बनाते हैं.
ठीक है. Okay, thank you. And so recently you are brand ambassador of Beautyco. I want to know about that. I was like, honestly that was a surprise because I mean brand ambassador होना एक बहुत अलग बात होती है. Being somebody's face for a brand specially, मतलब collaboration होती है, वो तुम्हारे लिए थोड़े post डाल देते हैं, that's a different thing, but being the brand ambassador is a very big deal.
Yeah, it's huge, it's crazy, dude. वही तो dream था, हो गया. It's crazy. मैं तो बहुत, I'm really
happy. Did you think about Beautyco or like a beauty brand as such? Because I always felt that you were more into fashion, inclined towards fashion. So
that is true. Like I love clothes and that's my thing. But that's a brand that I really like too. And मैंने उनके साथ 2-3 साल काम कर रखा है. So why not, you know?
Right. उससे ज़्यादा I still have a jacket thingy from your clothing line.
Oh man,
I should have worn that.
That's crazy. Wow.
मेरे को अभी याद आया. Like अरे ये तो मैं भूल ही गई थी.
The green one, the olive green one.
No, I think it's in a little reddish and orange.
I know what you're talking about. Cool.
Yeah. So I have that one. मेरे को अभी याद आया, should have worn that, but okay. So okay, now I think we should talk about थोड़ा सा fun चीज़. ठीक है, fun बदमाश बातें करेंगे. let's talk about this कि YouTube fan fest पे you have been like काफी time से you have been performing नहीं, being part also, red carpet you have walked. तो how has it been कि इतने सारे बारी, कितने बारी? It's been 3 or 4 years.
I think 4 बार. Yeah.
So how has it been? कैसा honestly first experience. Let's talk about first experience. That's I think the most honest one, I think.
Yeah, that was really cool. Honestly, like उसके 1 साल पहले I was in the audience, like you know जब वो the bigger creator and they're on a panel and you're in the audience. मैं vlog बना रही थी, मेरे vlog में तन्मय है, अभीश.
Oh, it was that one जो दिल्ली में किला करके एक जगह में हुआ. Yeah, I was also there.
Oh, nice. Yeah, so I was doing. Wait.
Yeah.
So I was in the audience and like making vlogs and everything, and I remember whoever was on the stage, I stared at them so hard, and I was like, next year that's going to be me. And the next year, that was me in Bombay. It was crazy, and then they invited me for the red carpet
2017 में.
Yeah.
Oh.
And then they invited me for the red carpet also. I didn't get to perform or anything, but I was like, ठीक है dude, सही है. I don't want anyway. जितना मिल रहा है वो सही है.
Yeah.
तो बहुत crazy था dude. I was starstruck. मतलब 10 green room and it was mad. बहुत सही था. बहुत ही ज़्यादा सही था.
But तब कितने subscribers थे? Like when you
130K or something.
Oh. Wow. But हाँ, so कैसा overall experience, how has it been with YouTube Fan Fest? क्या क्या कुछ encounters होता है, कुछ funny हो गया, कुछ weird हो गया?
इसी साल funny हुआ था, मेरा कैमरा चोरी हो गया था, and that's what everyone in YouTube remembers. Yeah, the first year I got invited, मैंने पूरा vlog बना अच्छे से मेहनत करके, and the last night my camera got stolen from my green room. And everyone at YouTube remembers that. वो मुझे हर YouTube event पे पूछते हैं कि बैग तो है ना, बैग है ना, सही है, great. Yeah, क्योंकि बहुत disappointing था dude, मेरा नया कैमरा and उसमें पूरा vlog की footage थी, तो मैं वो vlog भी नहीं post कर पाई थी. That was really sad.
Right. I think you talked about it in a video somewhere.
Yeah.
So, but then how the creators for change has been then? Recently part of
that was also really cool, dude. That's genuinely the coolest thing I've done. Seriously, that is the coolest thing I've done. And उसकी जो final product भी बना है, the song, the video and everything, I'm so happy with that. I swear, I look at it like a few years later and I'm going to feel really proud of myself. कि क्या storyline सोची है and like कितना अच्छा execute हुआ है.
But did you get any guidelines for it
so
when you were making that?
No, all we got was that, hey, you're a part of this. Michelle Obama's a part of this too. The theme is girls' education. You can make whatever you want and your interpretation. And उसी समय मेरे पास ये idea था कि मुझे इसी पे करना है. तो फिर मैंने उन्हें idea भेजा and they were like, cool, sounds good, like that's it. And then I just figured it out.
तो इसमें
and अब
हाँ, continue.
And a bunch of my friends helped me out actually. मेरा एक दोस्त है कुणाल, who's written Flames and जो engineering girls में मेरे opposite था. So he's a really good friend of mine and मैं बहुत stressed थी about this क्योंकि अगले हफ्ते shoot करना था, concept था ही नहीं मेरे पास, बस bits and pieces में था and I was like, dude मैं रोने वाली हूँ, please help. And तो हम बैठे Pluto काय पे बैठ के, he helped me out a lot कि ऐसे कर ले and then he was like, now अब मैं जा रहा हूँ, तू बाकी खुद figure out कर लेगी. And वैसे हुआ था.
But इसमें ऐसा नहीं होता क्रिएटर्स फॉर चेंज में, लाइक आई डोंट नो अबाउट दिस मच, तो ऐसा नहीं होता कि कभी लैंग्वेज बैरियर या कुछ रहता है कि बिकॉज दे टू कीप इट यूनिवर्सल यू हैव टू हैव लाइक इंग्लिश या कुछ?
मतलब दैट्स एक्चुअली मतलब दे साइड इट्स ओके, इंग्लिश सबटाइटल्स डाल दो बस एंड इट्स ओके. दे इन फैक्ट वांट डाइवर्सिटी बिकॉज दे I guess it shows now that they're a universal platform, YouTube. It's a good thing, like if you have regional languages. And Hindi, to dude, India is like the biggest market, so Hindi is a really good thing.
Right, it caters to larger audience, yes. But then what else I wanted to? So now what are you looking forward to next? Future plans?
Looking forward to next. अभी तो मैंने कल परसों ही अपने नेक्स्ट ओरिजिनल सॉन्ग का वीडियो शूट किया. तो वो आई डोंट नो व्हेन आई रिलीज इट, बट दैट्स गोइंग टू बी रियली कूल. दैट्स रियली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम खाली, बहुत ही ज्यादा डिफरेंट है वो.
now explain the stories.
yeah, it's a really different zone. Very crazy and like edgy and very cool. So that'll show a different side of me, I guess. And other than that, We'll see. I have no idea. We'll see where the year takes me.
Yeah, and I want now. अच्छा हाँ, कुछ ऐसे fun fan encounters या कुछ ऐसे हो गए कि you've been a little awkward at some fan encounters या कुछ हुआ है, मतलब let's just forget this a little bitchy mode one, some other कि कभी कुछ हुआ है.
Yeah, I've never. That's the only time I've been bitchy.
हाँ.
But other than that, सारे awkward रखते हैं because I am an awkward person.
Okay.
Like वो तो है. Especially if I have my friends with me, they always embarrass me. अगर कोई भी मुझसे मिलने आता है, hi Sejal, hi guys, पीछे से कहते रहते हैं, irritating. So that gets really weird and awkward.
This even my friends do. This क्योंकि my intro is like hi, hello guys, what is up? So I have a little this thing going. तो वो मेरे को like when they call, nice. They like hello Suku, what is up? I'm like yeah.
That's funny. Yeah, सारे दोस्त ऐसे ही होते हैं.
Yeah.
मेरे दोस्त भी चुप नहीं होते हैं. Hey guys करते रहते हैं.
It's just became like a lingo. How I talk, I'm like ठीक है ना. तो वो थोड़ा awkward हो जाता है. But like what about your like when you meet some fan and then how is it? कभी कुछ ऐसा हुआ है weird कि अरे ये थोड़ा awkward हो गया, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा weird हो गया, या फिर this was funny, या something very wholesome, or something very wholesome, let's say that.
Oh yeah, अभी recently हुआ जब मैं गोवा में थी. There was this girl, she worked at the hotel that we were staying at. तो आई मेरे पास and she's like I really want to meet you but हमें allowed नहीं होता. The hotel doesn't allow and हमें photos भी देना allowed नहीं होता. But then she was like can we like meet over here in the corner? I was like okay. So we met and she was the nicest dude. उसने कितनी ज़्यादा अच्छी चीज़ें बोली ना, मेरा दिन बन गया उसके बाद. And then she was like I don't have my phone, how should I take a photo with you? And I was like it's okay. तो मैंने अपने phone पे photo ली, then I just DM'd it to her उसी time.
That's so sweet.
And it was really nice dude. Like she बहुत ही ज़्यादा sweet था जो भी हुआ था उस दिन.
That's so sweet. And how was Goa वैसे? Like थोड़ा chill trip हो गया था after.
हाँ बहुत सही था, बहुत ही ज़्यादा सही था.
Okay, and I want to know about some behind the scenes, कुछ something which has never made it to your videos on your channel, or let's say some behind the scenes of Engineering Girls. You know, even I auditioned for Engineering Girls.
You really? Damn, cool.
Yeah. Wow. I think it was
for which role? It
was a friend of the three girls. Yeah, someone in hostel I auditioned for. But I never got a call back. I'm like, okay, fine, it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. Auditions are just, I know, I audition for a ton of things too.
Yeah.
Behind the scenes. Yeah, I think मेरा जो सड़ा हुआ सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर है, आई नीड टू स्टार्ट पुटिंग दैट आउट मोर, क्योंकि मैं बहुत ही स्टूपिड जोक्स मारते रहती हूँ पूरे टाइम एंड गंदे इमिटेशंस करते रहती हूँ. वो आई थिंक आई शुड पुट आउट अ लिटिल बिट मोर. Other than that, Engineering Girls, dude, हमने बहुत मस्ती करी थी in the हम एक ही होटल में रह रहे थे ना, and जो शारदा हॉस्टल जहाँ पे भी हम रह रहे थे, हमने बहुत मजे करे थे. It was like a 10-day long party. It was really fun. वो सब होना चाहिए था कैप्चर, क्योंकि हमने genuinely इतने मजे किए थे ना वहाँ पे.
तो
बहुत
अभी सीजन 2 अभी आएगा ना?
पता नहीं कब आ रहा है. टाइमलाइनर्स को जाके पूछो. I have no idea.
Okay. And I think we have talked. We have covered most of the things, but let's just end it on a note. Ki like something you would want to, some advice you want to give to a person, creator or not, irrespective. That कुछ advice ऐसे अपने viewers को देना हो या कुछ.
Advice.
Let's say one advice for a creator and one advice for somebody who's not a creator. Let's do that.
Okay, so for a creator I would say that there's going to be 1,000 things which are going to make you not believe in yourself all the time. It happens to me every day. But just find a way to keep reminding yourself that you are worth it, and just keep putting in the hard work, and don't care about other people's opinions. Really, that's so difficult to do. I struggle with that all the time, but it's a good thing to keep doing, and then it'll take you really far. And for someone who's not a creator, wear a mask. I don't know.
Okay, let's say a message to for not somebody who's not a creator, a message to a 16-year-old Sejal.
Oh, okay. Oh, damn. A message to 16-year-old me.
Yeah.
I was such a tryhard when I was 16. I had all these like big dreams in my head, but I was really stuck in that like school ka reputation that I had of being like the girl who's good for nothing except for just like doing stupid frivolous things and just looking pretty and nothing else.
Yeah.
And सबको ये लगता था कि मैं useless हूँ, मेरी पढ़ाई वढ़ाई भी नहीं आती, talent भी ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है, but मेरे को पता था I was really shy to show it. So I would just say that like don't think about the other people. You have what it takes. Like you have the work ethic and you have the talent. Just don't like people always try to put people in boundaries. So don't listen to that.
Yes, guys, that's that. And that was such a nice advice. I mean, that's something I think any teenager would relate to that, because school is actually a phase where you want attention also. You want little of everything, let's say that.
Yeah.
So
I think it happens when you grow up also. It just depends on which phase you're in. You have to keep reminding
but it's
yourself.
I think when you grow up you do understand that it's a little it's not necessary. तुम ज़्यादातर उन लोगों को वो जो close होते हैं उनको they matter to you more, because when we are 16 हम उनको तो अपने parents की भी नहीं परवाह होती. It's like that.
Yeah, but depend करता है. जैसे कि
Yeah.
तुम जिस circle में आ जाते हो,
Right.
जैसे तो किसी office में काम कर रही है, the people around you, their opinion will matter to you.
Right.
But the thing is like you have to keep telling yourself to not let it affect you. वो तो होता है, it's
Yeah.
natural.
Right, makes sense. But it was so nice. तब प्यारे नोट पे हमने एंड किया guys. It was so nice to talk to you and मतलब आज मेरा ना मतलब I think YouTube पे I think I have made it because I have Sejal on my podcast. I mean I have started watching her.
Thank you.
मतलब I think you are the only creator on my podcast जिसको मैं बहुत starting से देख रही हूँ, because I used to watch वो बाहर की यूट्यूबर्स ज़्यादा. And I used to watch you, Sahil Khattar, and there were some more people who I used to watch बहुत ज़्यादा. But Harsh Benewal also, जो YMCA में जब I think I came for you and Harsh both that day, and but I was very shy to come and say hi also. मैंने कहा मैंने देख लिया, मैं इतने में खुश हो गई.
Oh my god, thank you so much. And मेरे को भी बहुत मजा आया podcast में.
Thank you so much.
Very chill and very nice.
Thank
so
you
thanks
so
for inviting me.
I'm so glad you liked it. And yeah guys, if you haven't subscribed to Sejal, please कर लो. मतलब क्यों अभी तक क्यों नहीं किया है? What is this? So make sure you do that. She comes up with really fun.
I need subscribers, guys.
Yes, and she does some really fun videos. Also make
And subscribe to her as well.
Yeah.
अपना भी बोल पहले.
हाँ, guys subscribe कर दो if you're listening on YouTube, if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're listening this on Spotify, please follow, and Apple Podcast, Google Podcast, wherever, make sure you subscribe there also. And yeah, also let us know what you think about this podcast. I think this is again one of my most chill episodes, and मतलब मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैं सेजल को कब से जानती हूँ ऐसा कुछ ऐसे, because it's probably because I've watched you so much इसीलिए. So yeah, it was fun.
It was really chill for me too. It was really nice.
Yeah, I'm so glad. So I'm gonna see you guys with a vlog on Tuesday or Wednesday, and next week with another podcast. So make sure you subscribe, and till then, bye.